innovation, quantification, and orchestration. Here's a 3-step growth cycle for your home inspection business. Innovation, well, this creates new ways to serve clients. Quantification measures what works in your business, and orchestration turns what works into standard systems. Innovation for inspectors might be using infrared thermal imaging at every inspection or providing video summaries. Quantification means measuring everything: inspection times, client satisfaction, revenue per inspection service. Numbers tell the truth about your business. If it's worth doing, it's worth measuring. Then comes orchestration. That's taking what works and making it systematic. Your best practices become standard practices. Your best responses become templates. Your best workflows become documented systems that anyone in the company could follow with the right training. So do this right now. Take your most successful inspection service and write down exactly what happens from beginning to end, from a scheduled client to the report delivery, step by step. That's orchestration, turning success into a system.